Hi everybody, welcome back to today's video. My name is Marybeth Angelelli. I just wanted to come in here. I wanted to do an update and share this short video with you just to let you know that this is a system that really has helped a lot of people since last year, March of 2021 to be exact, to experience their initial breakthrough online. Okay, it's called Infinity Processing System. So if you are looking for Infinity Processing System, congratulations, you are definitely in the right place at the right time. And allow me to do this quick review video for you today. When you decide to become part of the Infinity Processing System, this is going to afford you the ability to be able to learn our $300 a day blueprint, which is very simple yet very powerful. And primarily what we are doing is just simply following the blueprint, and we are posting pre-written ads on social media. Okay, now you have a wide variety of different options and choices with regards to which social media platform or platforms you like. Okay, whatever you like, whatever you're most comfortable with, you have several choices to pick and choose from and run with. Okay, what I encourage you to do first and foremost, so, is to be sure and watch this short presentation video. And if you press play right here, this is going to allow you to do that, and you can review all the wonderful advantages and hear them firsthand on how this very system can help you and benefit you in your success in your online journey. Okay? Now, it doesn't matter what your background is, where you've come from, whether you have experience or not. This is a very user-friendly and a very newbie-friendly system. As a matter of fact, when it was created last year, March of 2021, it was created with the newbie marketer in mind, okay? To really slash the learning curve and to help you and to put you in the best position possible to jumpstart your results in the shortest amount of time if you take action, if you follow the system, apply and implement, and don't look back, don't give up, don't quit, just keep moving forward, okay? Utilize the training within the system to help you to your full advantage, okay? And I just want you to scroll down here. You're going to be able to review all this wonderful information here, a little bio about me, okay? And it explains in 3 simple steps exactly how it works. You get started, you pick one of the levels, you're going to get access to your products, to your training, step-by-step digital marketing, educational products and training, okay? In simple to follow video training tutorials where it just breaks it down in small, simple chunks, small, simple pieces of information so that you can easily grasp it and then go out there and in turn apply and implement. And then you're going to be able to post the ads, the pre-written ads already done for you. You don't have to worry. You don't have to stress about coming up with ad copy. How do I create ad copy? You don't have to create anything, folks. These are already done for you. You just simply follow the training and post the pre-written ads. And we show you exactly how to do this and where to do this and where to start posting ads on social media to be able to drive tons of traffic to your offer, all for free, okay? Now, if you elect to go with some low-cost paid options, those are options and they definitely can help you to scale up your business over time. So there's no limitations and there's no restrictions. And then step 3 is you just get paid. You decide how you want to get paid. You can pick up to 3 payment methods, okay? And start collecting your 100% daily commissions right into your account, whatever you want, okay? You definitely want to read how it works, okay? And this is for everybody, folks. It doesn't matter where you came from, what your background is, okay? If you're sick and tired of being sick and tired and you're tired of struggling and you're feeling stuck like you're in a rut, you're confused, folks, those days are long gone. This system is just absolutely taking the internet by storm. It's gone viral countless times over and over again since March of 2021, and it's really responsible for helping a lot of struggling marketers finally achieve the success that they desire and they deserve and really experience their breakthrough and get them into profit mode and be able to create a positive cash flow working from the comfort of your home in your spare time, folks. Okay, this is very easy to do. And what you do is you come down here and you pick whichever product package you would like. Get in where you fit in. You can always move onward and upward. You can always upgrade. However, my personal recommendation is the pro level. Okay, this is where the majority of individuals start because it gives you the greatest value, the most content, and the best training. If you aspire to become a six-figure income earner and earn a full-time six-figure a year annual income, folks, this pro level is your best option. It's going to be the greatest, it's going to give you the greatest possibility and probability of being able to accomplish that and attain your goals. Okay? $300 one time, no monthly fees, and only a $25 admin website fee. That is it, folks. $325, a very small price to pay for success. Okay? Especially long-term success. If you want something that is real, folks, that will give you longevity and help you to establish a successful internet-based online marketing career, folks, this, in my opinion, is going to be able to forge you ahead and give you the best chance of setting you up properly and for success, okay, especially the price point. Because not everybody has $1,000 and $2,000 to invest in a high ticket income opportunity, folks. This is what we consider to be more low ticket to mid ticket, in that range. Okay, it's highly recommended because you're going to be able to receive this product and get paid on this product and this product, so you can earn on all three products: the starter, the elite, and the pro. Unlimited 50, unlimited 150, and unlimited 300. You get all this training, folks, all this wonderful training. Okay, the six-figure closing script, the 7-day success action plan, personal development, and the best current training that money can buy on the best social media platforms. Okay, the most popular, should I say. The best because they are the most popular. They are where the people are at, the most eyeballs, and this is where the traffic is. This is where people flock who are looking for simple ways to earn extra income online. And your timing could not be more ideal, folks. The holidays are just a few short weeks away. They're quickly coming up upon us. So there's never been a better time than now to get started so you can get in ASAP, earn some nice additional extra holiday cash, and get in position for 2023, okay? Be ready for when that ball drops on December 31st and we start 2023 with a clean, fresh slate, folks. You are going to have a wonderful internet-based business to run with out of the gate in 2023 and hit the ground running the right way, folks. So get in now, go through the training, complete it, and start applying it and implementing it, and start earning commissions, and then you're going to be positioned the right way for 2023. Okay, you can check all this out: how to create a six-figure sales funnel, the 30-day email follow-up series to close your sales on autopilot, everything you need to position yourself for the best possibility and greatest probability to become a six-figure income earner in 2023 awaits you in the six-figure blueprint package for only $325 one time, folks. Okay, so go ahead and check all this out. And these are the products. People often ask me, Marybeth, what are the products? These are digital, educational, marketing and training, informational education products to teach you exactly what to do and how to do it to be successful online, equipping you with information and knowledge to forge forward with success. Okay, digital products. This is training. Step-by-step video training tutorials. These are the three products: the influencer brand marketing package, the internet automation secret marketing package, and the six-figure blueprint marketing package. Your products are right here, and what they include is listed right here. What products do you get? So just go through these bullet points right here, and this is exactly what is in the pro level package, plus these wonderful bonuses, folks. You can hit this buy now button as soon as you're ready. Pay with your debit or credit card for your convenience. I also accept Cash App as well, okay? Here is a second video that you need to watch because it's going to give you an idea on what your potential perhaps can be with this amazing program. Now, we can't make any income claims, guarantees, or promises because we don't know what you're going to do with this system, and we certainly don't know what your work ethic is. But if you apply and implement this and just commit, be consistent, show up every day, go through your training, folks, you can at least get an idea of what the potential that exists within the system if you use it and use it wisely and use it for your advantage, for your best advantage, okay? So watch this short little 4-minute video and then come on down here. You can take a look at the charts, okay, of what's possible with only one sale a day. And then once you layer on and scale up, you put yourself in a position to be able to be earning multiple sales a day by just following the system and the training and being consistent, all right? So with that being said, folks, check out each of these products. There's 3 of them. But of course, this is the best recommended one because you get all 3. And this is where your greatest income potential is going to lie. And this is going to give you the most value, the most content, and the most training to really come in here and hit the ground running, folks, and be ready for a new year and position you to become a future 6-figure income earner with a $300 a day Pro package, okay? Because $300 a day sets you up and puts you in a position to earn 6 figures a year. That's what it takes, folks. Actually, if you take a simple calculator and plug in $100,000, that's the magic number, divided by 365 days out of any given year, folks, that equates to $274 a day. So this is the magic number, folks, to get you to where you want to go, all right? So just wanted to share that with you. As soon as you're ready to go, folks, hit the buy now button on the product package that you want or Cash App. If you're doing Cash App, make sure you send me an email. I'm going to put my contact information below. Any questions, text or call me. My website is going to be below as well. Come through the website, enter your information. You're going to be redirected here. I'll even drop this direct link for your convenience, folks, so you don't have to come back through the website again and re-opt in, making it very easy for you to access this. Watch the 2 videos. Let's get you started ASAP, folks, okay? 2022 is quickly winding down, folks. There aren't a whole lot of days left. The holidays are going to be here. Let's get you started today. Connect with me. I've been doing this system since it first launched back in early March of 2021. I've had great success with it, folks, as a direct result of my consistent marketing efforts. So I definitely can help you. Folks, I've been working these type of systems for well over a decade now, earning myself a very nice full-time income from the comfort of my home, folks, in my spare time. So with that being said, I'd love to welcome you in advance to the team. You'll be getting plugged into our exclusive Facebook groups, our proof and testimonial group, and our coaching group. So you're going to have additional training, value, and support to help you and give you every chance to set you up correctly, position you, and give you the best chance of success for your future. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon. Everything you need is in the description, the link to my sites, my contact information. Text or call me at 330-787-1795 if there's anything you need. And I'll see you on the inside in our wonderful Facebook groups very soon. Bye-bye.